Hey everyone, this is Eric Miller with Econologics Financial Advisors. Okay, which financial institutions can you trust? That's going to be the topic of today's video. So the topic of financial institutions comes up a lot in our business, and I understand that because when you're trying to position your money or invest your money, you want to know which financial institutions you can trust. So first thing is I want to go through the three different types of financial institutions that you can position your money in. The first one would be the depository institutions. So this would include banks and credit unions. And by and large, most people feel like this is the safest place to position your money. But when you really look at how the banking system works, they are professional lenders. So what happens is that you put your money into a bank, and then of course they lend out that money to different people. Well, if a bank is not well run, then of course there could be risk for that bank that they could over leverage themselves. And I think we saw this back in 2008 where the banks got in a lot of trouble. So by and large, the banking system is very, very intertwined. And if there was some kind of a calamity with the banking system on a global level, then that would be a place that you would not want to have a majority of your money. The second type of institution would be what we call investment institutions. So this would be brokerage firms, mutual fund companies are probably the most popular example of those. And again, if you go back to 2008, Bear Stearns was a brokerage firm that went bankrupt. Now, by and large, I think these are probably safer financial institutions than the depository institutions, but that doesn't mean that they're riskless. And I think what happens is that people put their money into mutual funds or these brokerage firms, but they don't really understand the risks of their investments with these institutions, and that's definitely where you can see a lot of value being lost. The third financial institution would be the contractual institutions, and this would include the annuity and insurance industry. Now, they're called contractual because there is a contract. When you put your money with an annuity or an insurance company, there's an actual contract. And what that means is that they have to promise to pay certain benefits, and there's contractual guarantees for your money by the insurance company. And what you'll see during times of recession and depression is that you see a lot of banks go under, you will see investment institutions go under, but you don't see a lot of insurance companies going belly up during those times. And the reason for that is that they have to operate much differently with the investments that they manage. They can't over leverage. They can't loan out, billions of dollars and take that kind of risk. They are governed by the states. So when you see those three different types of institutions, I would say by and large, the insurance and the annuity industry are probably the ones less likely to have problems in times of recession and depression. That doesn't mean that there's nothing that can go wrong. Of course that can, but by and large, that's what we've seen. So I hope that helps. We certainly want to make sure you're making better informed decisions so that when you do position your money or invest your money somewhere, you understand what the outcomes could be. Do well. Thanks again for watching this video. I really hope it had an impact on you and can help you in some way. And if it did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share this. And if you want to, tell me what you want to hear from us. Like give me a financial topic that we can talk about, that we can do in further videos. And what I really want you to do, most importantly, I want you to take some action. I want you to contact us, contact an Econologics specialist, schedule an appointment so that you can start your road towards financial improvement. It's not going to happen by itself. You need to take some action, and we're definitely here to help you. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you later.